Today, I'm going to share with you some of the tricks that insurance adjusters use in motor vehicle accident cases and personal injury cases that you might not be quite aware of. Your antenna might be going off when you hear them say certain words, but you don't really understand or know what this trick or what this tactic is. My name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ, and I've been in this insurance defense, plaintiff work for 20 plus years. And I want to share with you, after working for one of the largest insurance companies as an in-house attorney in this country, I'm going to share with you a couple of tactics that I want you to be aware of. For instance, be hesitant to do a recorded statement. Just don't. There's really no need to do a recorded statement ever. But if you have to, hire a lawyer. If they're insistent on you doing a recorded statement, just be careful. I have some videos about that in my on my page, but one of the main reasons why I don't want you to do a recorded statement is they use simple, innocuous tactics and tricks, such as the recorded statement will take place within 10 days of the accident, right? And in some injuries, your pain, like for a herniated disc, the gel that's in your disc is slowly seeping out. So your injury is going to become worse over time, right? You have the initial accident injury, which is acute for 48 hours, but some injuries actually build in intensity 2, 3, 4 weeks later. So 2 years from now, when you're having your deposition taken and they bring up this recorded statement there and say, well, you admit that the accident was 10 days from the date of this recorded statement. Yes. But back then, you told the insurance adjuster that you weren't really that injured, you weren't that hurt, or you weren't hurt that badly. Well, the only way that you can respond is well, I didn't know the full extent of my injuries back then. I was hurt. So that's the reason I don't recommend doing a recorded statement. Second tactic that they use is during the recorded statement, they're going to ask you, well, you're not that bad. You weren't injured that badly, right? I just had somebody close to me got diagnosed with cancer, and they're going to have part of their body removed. But if they have this surgery and part of that body part is removed, the cancer most likely won't be a thing yet. And so they're happy, they're like, okay, if we do this, yay, everything's going to work out. But let's just be real, because the alternative is death. But you're still having a body part removed. You are still injured, even though you didn't die in that car accident, and you could have died. Doesn't mean that you are that injured. And so the insurance companies, their adjusters, they play on that. They prey upon you being thankful, grateful, having gratitude that you're still alive, that you weren't more seriously injured. And they use that against you. Those are two common tactics that the insurance company uses. The third, I'm just going to give you one last one. They might try to do a high pressure sell to try to get you to accept a small settlement. If you're in any of those situations and you're in Arizona, give me a call. Go to my website, fill out the form. You can get the link here, and I will get in contact with you. Not a paralegal, but I will get in contact with you, and I'll review your options. At my law firm, our motto is, it's your injuries, our fight, your win.